Landscape lesson number 5 is about how to draw creatures and vehicles using geometric shapes. When you try and draw any object, the easiest way of drawing that object is to break it down into geometric shapes. Once you have those geometric shapes, you can then start adding in the details. I'm going to use this amazing book called Draw Really Cool Stuff. This book is excellent when you're learning to draw because it has hundreds of different animals, and it also has a whole section on dinosaurs. It has a section on desert animals, rainforest animals, and it shows you step by step how to draw these creatures, breaking it down to the really simplest form and then building up those shapes until you have the final piece. They also have a section on fish and a section on cars too. So you can see how you could draw a car a section at a time. I thought we could try drawing the toucan. We can start with this shape. Once I've drawn the basic shape, I can then add in all the texture and tone. And I'm colouring in the direction of the feathers here. I'm using my pencil lines to help me suggest the texture that I'm drawing. If this was fur, I would be doing a similar kind of stroke. When you're drawing a cylinder like this branch, you can either use contour lines like they've used on the claws. Contour lines follow the shape of your object. This is round, so these contour lines are round. When you're shading this branch, you could use contour lines to help you shade. That then may help suggest that the branch is round. You'd also put some kind of shadow underneath to make those claws sit on that branch. It's quite hard to get a tonal range when everything is black. If you're doing something like this, you're going to have to press really hard in some areas to get that darker shadows. When I want to get a lighter shade and I want it to be smooth, I just hold the end of my pencil and use the side to do the shading. If I want it to be more of a tonal drawing, I can always rub down the line on the edge, so the tone on the edge is similar to that in the drawing, so it's not outlined. That can help you make your drawings look more realistic if they don't have an outline. Outlines tend to make them look more like cartoons or illustrations. Have a go at drawing a creature or a car. If you want to do a Google search for this type of drawing, you can Google step-by-step drawing of a, and then choose whatever it is. This would be step-by-step drawing of a toucan, or you could do step-by-step drawing of a car. And that would be then the beginning of your landscape, because this creature would be in the foreground, and then you can start adding things in the background.